Welcome to Gourmet to Stay, Episode 1. I'm Chris, and if you're like me, you've been extremely busy this quarantine. But that's not that important. This channel is about celebrating foods of different styles and just having fun in the kitchen. So let's get to cooking. Anytime you're cooking, you want to start by getting everything together. Mise en place is what they say. So we're going to start with all of our produce. When you get your garlic out, don't be gentle with it. Bash it up a little bit. It's way more fun that way, and it gets out a lot of those oils, making it really, really fragrant. Next, we'll start on a marinade for our beef, and make sure you get your dog in the shot. That's Thelma there. She's always nearby when I'm cooking. We're going to whisk that up. Make sure you spill a little bit on your table, just for good measure. Next, we're going to take some pre-sliced beef. You can get this pretty much at any Asian market. I usually go for some sirloin. It just tastes really good. Make sure that pan is nice and hot, and then start with your vegetables. It's going to take a long time to get these done, but it'll be worth the patience. What's a good cheesesteak without the cheese? I'm using some rattlesnake cheese here. It's got some habanero in it, make it nice and spicy. Our last step is to make a sriracha aioli, just another layer of flavor on the sandwich. And when you make it yourself, it's so much better. Now it's time for all of our hard work to end up on the plate, see what we can make. We'll drizzle that with our homemade aioli, and I topped mine with some store-bought kimchi because it'll just kick it up another notch. This sandwich ended up having everything you want. A little bit of spicy, salty, sweet, some pickle flavor from the kimchi. Even Thelma liked it, but then again, she licks her own butt, so take that for what it's worth. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment with anything you'd like to see in the future.